Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos, don't forget. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday is the day of the Communicator. Communicator personality. Communicator vibration. So communication is all around us today on Wednesday. Always striving to communicate, getting your point across, making sure there's no, that you're not misheard, and making sure also that you listen to others, because that's communication as well. It's not just saying all your stuff, it's listening. Listening without interruption. Communication. It's also all about the idea that we are just the actors in the play. We are more than what we think we are. And by stripping away all the falseness, by stripping away all the superficiality of things, we find out what's real. We find the truth. There's a great book I read a lot from on Wednesday. It's called the Ribhu Gita. That says just that. I'm going to read from it again today. But I also suggest you go out and listen to the music of Ornette Coleman today. There he is up on G's Wall of Fame. Ornette Coleman. He was a spiritual communicator in his blueprint. I shall now speak about existence, consciousness, supreme bliss, naturally ever full of happiness. It is itself the essence of all Vedas and Puranas. There is no difference, duality, or pairs of opposites. There is nothing different or devoid of differences. All this indeed is the supreme Brahman consciousness, right? Unaffected by desire or anger. It is to be reached by knowledge. Knowledge is the key on Wednesdays. Learn more. Learn something new today. Yeah, knowledge. There's never anything as I. There is nothing else. There is nothing decayless. And no highest of the high. All this indeed is the unaffected supreme Brahman. It is to be reached by knowledge. There is no exterior, there's no interior, no sankalpa, and no form. All this indeed is the unaffected supreme Brahman. It is to be reached by knowledge. There's no existence, no renunciation, no word, no defective meaning of words. All this is indeed the unaffected supreme Brahman, and it is to be reached by knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, knowledge. Knowledge of who you really are and who you're not. What you're not. You're not the body. You're not the mind. You're not your job. You're not your name. You're not your form. You're not what you eat. Find out what you're not, and then you can find out who you are, really. There There is no nature of peace, no non-duality, nothing upward, nothing downward, no characteristic, no part that is sorrow, no happiness, no indecisiveness, no body, no linga, no cause or absence of cause, no sorrow, nothing ultimate, no I, no secret, no highest state. Discover today who you are by finding out what you are not. Try it.